This activity is called the Ladder of Youth Participation, and it shows how young people can be involved in decision-making in different ways. We ask the participants what they understand in terms of the youth participation. We collect a few short ideas from the group. Then we introduce the ladder of participation to understand the different levels of involvement. Then we explain the steps one by one from lower to higher, using simple and personal examples so participants can relate to them. After that, we move to a positioning exercise. We place the levels of participation in a line, and we ask the participants to physically position themselves depending on how they experience the participation on different areas of their life, such as work, family, friends, or community. After each question, we briefly discuss why did they choose their position. Next, participants work in small groups. Each group receives one level of the ladder and prepares a short role play, showing what that level looks like in practice. After preparation, each group presents their scene to the others, and the others need to guess. We then reflect on the activity. We discuss how participation feels at different levels. What changes when participation becomes meaningful, and if people feel they have opportunity to participate more in their daily lives. Finally, we summarize the ladder of youth participation and briefly mention that participation is also linked to responsibility and decision-making. We close by linking it to the flower of participation as a way of understanding youth involvement. If you want to explore more about this session, find the link below.